Welcome. My name is Philipp Schwab and I work at CAD-PLAN in Frankfurt, Germany since 2016. Today I will show you our latest features of our current version Athena 2024, and now we will start in our webinar presentation.
Welcome to our webinar. I will give you a short Athena 2024 overview. In Athena 2024, it's all about cutting optimization. First of all, I will give you a short overview about our new features. The cutting optimization, including residual length directly in Athena. The performance when creating viewports, select identical objects and change objects with Athena drilled holes, and then at the end of the webinar, important informations and the e-learning platform. So what is Athena? Athena is a comprehensive 2D and 3D CAD software in facade engineering and curtain wall design. Athena comes with key benefits like error minimization in the planning, increase efficiency in the construction process. You can export your whole construction into the Plus and directly to the manufacturing. And of course, the high drawing quality will impress you. So what's your benefits? A optimal use of resources in your team. I mean, time in cost savings, faster planning processes, and of course, in your facade and curtain wall projects, the minimization of errors in planning. We come to the first major feature, the cutting optimization, including residual length. Your benefit in this Athena 2024 update is efficient material utilization. It will reduces your off-cuts and waste significant. It supports 2D plus projections, cross sections, and of course Athena 3D constructions. Also, cost savings are another big factor. So I repeat, less material consumption, lower costs, and at least it is time saving, because with our automated optimization, it speeds up the process significant. Now I will show you this in a practical example. Here you can see a substructure of a alucobond construction, and I have positioned it. The two kinds of the profiles. Directly here in our Athena project browser, here you can see the item numbers, and we have 49 pieces in our jobs, or rather in our projects. So now we want to start with a cutting optimization. The header is Webinar 2024. Then we have a virtual remaining stock of profiles in our warehouse. So we will use them. You can see we have the item numbers, the surface, and the number of profiles, and also the length, and we will use them in our cutting optimization. We check the output of our profiles, and then we start our Athena cutting optimization. Athena export an output of the drawing file and also the layout, and we will open the layout, and we will see here our job number of the alucobond profiles, and then the item number and the length, and also the remaining stocks of our profile in our warehouse, so we can also use them in our project. So here is the HUD profile, also the original length. Here it is the delivery length of 6 meter, and then the rest of our stock in our warehouse. So with the optimal cutting optimization. So this was one of our great features of Athena 2024, but that's not all. Athena also comes with a new performance when creating viewports. The benefits for you will be a much faster creation time of viewports by 65% and the increased efficiency when editing large drawings. Here you can see a practical demonstration of the old and the new creation time of viewports. You will directly see the difference between the last and the new update of Athena 2024. So, and now the feature with the object changings. This benefit will secure your drawing process, the exchange of the same objects and also the compatible objects will be taken into the account, like bar assemblies, standard parts, semi-finished products, blocks, fillings, and drilled holes. And now I will show you this in an example. Here I have prepared a cold facade and we have two sections, the vertical and the horizontal. It's also possible to select the standard parts. It's a Hilti anchor and we will change it to a new size and we will also change the drilled hole size. So you can see how fast it works. And it changes in both views, the horizontal and the vertical at the same time. And also the description will change automatically. We come to some important informations which I don't want to hide. The Athena Complete language offer is included, means German, Spanish, French, Italian, and of course in English. We also include a feature for item numbers in Athena and the Chronos integration in Athena. The function of the item numbers also includes a nice feature for your company, which means in the drawing process you can configure the specific needs of your company, like the configuration of 100,000 standard parts. So your team have directly access to the right item number, so it secures your workflow between external and internal team members. So, and with Chronos, you can automatically fill in the Athena layout title blocks. It's data management optimized and gives you a whole overview of the status from the project. I will show you this whole process and the interaction between Athena and Chronos in the next webinar. So stay tuned for the next webinar and find out how you can take your project management to a new level. At least I would like to give you an overview why you should have a look into our e-learning, and with the QR code on the left side, you come directly to the registration process and see the benefits again. Because if you don't know, you have access to the whole e-learning with CAD-PLAN products. You can learn at your own pace with customizable learning plans based on your personal needs. You have high quality content from experts, and at the end, you can gain an official certification for professional development, which you can put in your CV and also share on social media. So now, thank you for your attention and your time. I will summarize the key benefits for you again. With Athena, you have the optimal use of resources in your company, which provides you with more time for other tasks. Means time and cost savings. You also have much faster planning processes and minimization of errors. And if you participate in our next webinar, you will also have the skills from Kronos to have a whole overview of your projects and also connected tasks. My name is Philipp Schwab from CAD-PLAN in Frankfurt, and I would be delighted to see a large number of you participating in our next webinar.